Hello everyone. Till now we will complete the customer registration, image uploaded, duplication, email validation and password encryption, email integration, customer log, customer profile, view and display image from the database. Right? Today we are going to learn the customer profile update module. In real-time application, users should be able to update their personal information and they can change the mobile number and also they can change the address, update the city and location and change the profile image. So today we will learn how to load the existing customer data into a form and how to allow the customer modifications and how to upload and how to update the database records and how to keep old image if is no new image is selected. Okay. First of all, I will share my screen. Then I will open my Eclipse. Okay, I will opening my project. In this project, we will see the view customer profile. Click on this and here we will what we will do. Here we will retrieve the data from the database. So now if customer will update this data, they want to do like here do the here you can give the one anchor tag. So first of all you can div and in the div you can give the anchor tag. So give the anchor tag here. Here you can give the update and here you can give the href and here you can give the file name called customer profile update page .jsp and here Here we have pass through ID, view the ID. Here you can retrieve this ID. So rs dot get dot one. Okay, and also you can give the class also. Button info and update. Okay. Here we are getting the customer ID from the database, and the update page must be known which the customer requires to load and update. The system does not know which profile to be edited. So here we can view the ID system load the customer details clearly. Okay. Once if customer click on update, then it will open the form, customer form. So here we can create this page file, and we can click on finish. After that, we should include the head links, customer header, footer, and scripts, and a connection file also. So here we can include the files. Then after we can include the customer header. Then after we should include the connection file also. And then after we should include the footer. Then after we should include the script. Okay. After we should get the session. So customer session. Before that you can view the div. In that div you can view the class. And in the below you can view the another div. Here you should view the class is equal to container. Then after you should view the row. In the view you should view the class, and you should view the row. Okay. After that another view, and in the view you should view the class equals to 4 and 7. Okay. After that, you can give the snippet tags for the JS Java code, and here you can give the try and catch. We dot. Then after we should write the session for the login customers. String email is required to string session dot get attribute. Then we should give the session email here. So we will get the customer ID. So int ID is equal to integer dot here you should use the get and you should use the ID here. Then after we can fetch the customer data. So you should write the prepare statement here. CS is equal to con dot here you should do the before that here we can import the packages. Java dot SQL source dot. Okay. Here you should give the query called select start from customer where ID is equal to question mark and email is equal to question mark. Got it? Here we are fetching the login customer profile detail, and here we can set the parameters like ts dot set int of 1 comma ID. Then now ps dot set string 2 comma email. Okay. Here we set the parameters and after we should execute the query. So here we can write the result set rs is equal to ps dot execute update. Okay. Here we are retrieving the customer information. After we will check the record is exist or not. So here we can view the if condition. If rs dot next. So here we can close the supply tags, then open the supply tags. In between, we can write the form. In the form, you can view the action, customer, profile, update, backend, dot directory. Okay. Then after you should view the method called post. Then after you should view the key type. And here you can view the multi-part form data. Now here we should take the form. So now I am taking the registration form here. One of the registration form. Here I am giving the ID. And here name is ID. Then ID is equal to ID. And there is the ID. Here you should give the read only because ID is not changed. So you can give the ID is called name read only, and here you should give the value is equal to give the supply tax and give the value. Okay. Then after you should change to email, and here we can change to email. Here also you should change to email. Here also you should change to email. And here also you should change to email, and here also you should change to email. Got it? Now here you can give the value equals to email. And here also you should give the read only. Here customer cannot modify the ID and email. Okay. What we are doing here means we are pre-filling the existing customer data in the place of values. Okay. Now you should go the another and here full name, You should we should do the average dot get string comma name. Okay. Then after we should retrieve the mobile number, right? Here also we should change to mobile. And here query, what we are doing is we should enter the mobile number. Okay. Now you should retrieve this the you can retrieve the data from the database here. Okay. So for that we can write the value and use the secret tags and use the array dot set string. Here we can use the mobile. Okay. Then after what we will do, actually we can open the here we can check the customer column names. Okay. Here we can view the full name. So here you should retrieve the full name. Okay. Then after we can take the email and mobile. Here we should retrieve the mobile. Correct. Then after what we will retrieve, we should retrieve the address, city and pin code also. So here we should give the address. Here also you can modify the address. And here also you can modify the address. And here also you can change the enter address. Okay. Now here you can retrieve the value from the database. So you can write the value and give the rs dot get string of address. Okay. Then after what we will do, we can retrieve the city and pin code and image. Okay. So we can change the city here, change the name here first. You should retrieve the city or is the string of then after we should change to pin code. Okay. Here we can write the pin code. Here we should view the image. Here we should red dot with top info. Okay. That is fine. Here we can view the report. Okay, this is the form. Then we should create this page, backend page, and here we should write the update code. Okay. Now here we should import some packages in backend. Here we should write the submit button. So we need to copy this button and here we can paste the button. So here you can give the value called update. Okay. Then after we can import some packages here. Here we should explore the java.sql dot star, and also we should import java dot io dot star. Then after form dot list dot servlet dot star. Then after java dot dot star. Okay, these are we are imported. Then after what we will do, we can import the we can include the head links. Then after we should include the connection file. Okay. Then after you should give the snippet tags. In that you can give the try and catch for the exception handling. So you can write the exception. Okay, in the try, what we will do? We can create the multi-part request. Then after we can retrieve the value. Okay. So firstly we can string temp file is equal to file dot create temp file. Here what we will do, we can view the temp comma 1 and get the parent. Okay. After that we should create the multi-path request. Is equal to new multi-path request. Here you should use the request comma temp file comma 15 for 0 0 0 for 0 and use the semicolon. Okay. Just what we will do, elimination files equal to multi dot get file. Okay. Then after we can prepare a string name is equal to semicolon and string file extensions. Then we can retrieve the data form values. When here we can retrieve the form values like int id is equal to integer dot int. Here we should use the multi dot get parameters and here we can use the id. Then after we can use the string name is equal to multi dot get parameter. Here you should use the name. So you will check, you can check the what we will do. Then after we can receive the email. Then after we can receive the numbers like mobile. and go to string which is equal to multi-dot get parameter where we can give the address. Then after we can retrieve the city. Then after we can retrieve the pin code, right? So we can give the int pin code equal to integer dot as a int. Here you can write the multi dot get parameter, and here you should write the pin code. Okay. Then after what we will do, we can write the while. Here we can write the file dot has no elements, and after name equals to string, and then you can write the files dot next element. Then after request is equal to id dot get file. Here we should use the name. Then after if ff is not equals to null, we should go through file extension is equal to ff dot get name dot subsection, and we can do that ff dot get name. Okay. Then last index of here you can give the dot and semicolon. Okay. Then after boolean file allowed equals to file extension dot equals we should allow some files only. So you should write like this. Here what JPG, PNG, JPEG. Okay. Got it? Then after what we will do, if effort not equals to null, then we can give the else. Then we can write the triplet as in the middle. What we will write, we can write the script. We can, if file is not correct, then we will rewrite to the customer profile update page. Okay. Then after we can give the string number is required vendor query is equal to new thing builder, and here you can give the update code. So here you can give the update customer set full name is equal to question mark, then mobile is equal to question mark, address we can update here. So we can update the full name, mobile address, city, pin code. Okay. Here you can give this semicolon. After that, you can give the if condition if IM is not equals to null. Query dot append, where we can get email is equal to question mark. Got it? Then after what we will do, again you can give the query dot append where ID is equal to question mark and email is equal to question mark. Like give the placeholder. Okay. After that, what we will do? We can write the prepare statement here. So you can write the prepare statement. CS is equal to con dot prepare statement. In that we can use the vary dot toString. Okay. After prepare statement, we can set the values. PS dot set string 1 comma name, then PS dot set string 2 comma mobile, then PS dot set string 3 comma address, then PS dot set string 4 comma city, then after PS dot set int 5 comma pin code, next after what we will do, we can do the int image equals to 6 semicolon, then if f not equals to null, you can update this image. So binary string, here you should view the image, silent, you should view the int, with the under comma, you can view the ff dot length and view the semicolon. Got it? Then after we can use dot set int of 7 comma id, then after ps dot set string 8 comma email. We can set the values like this. So you should give the image plus plus, and here also you should give the image plus plus. Okay. And then after we can execute this. So you can write the int status equals to ps dot execute update. Then if status equals to 1, what we will do? We can give the update successfully. Okay, then else you can give like this. Okay, this is the backend code of the update page. Okay, tomorrow I will show how to execute this in project. Okay, for this today class we will explain the update code, form and backend. Okay, tomorrow I will show the update. Okay, then bye.